Welcome to Carry On Jeff and John. What we're going to be doing today is I'm going to show you how to do your own Chinese stir fry, to marinate it, the ones that you buy at the butchers. So anyway, this is what you've got to do. So this is the ingredients: 1 red capsicum, 1 yellow capsicum, 1 green capsicum, 1 medium sized onion, finely chopped, some frozen peas thawed out, sweet corn and some Chinese glaze, and then you want 2 chicken fillets cut up into small pieces. Right, this is what you've got to do next. What you do then is mix that in really well so it's all combined. And then just want a little sprinkling of olive oil. And what you do then is you marinate like so and leave it in the fridge for about 3 hours. And if you want to, well, I suggest that you leave it overnight. And the thing is with this, you know, you can double the ingredients, make as much as you want, because you can freeze this. After marinating for overnight, what you do then, you put your pan on and put a little smidgen of olive oil in. Cook that for about 8 to 10 minutes on a medium heat and continuously stir it. When you've tried this, you won't want to buy any more from the butchers. It's so cheap, it's so easy to do, and it's cheaper to buy it from the butchers. So after 8 to 10 minutes on a medium heat, plate it up. And there you have it, marinated Chinese stir fry. Exactly what you buy in the butchers. It's so easy to do and it's far cheaper. Now how simple was that?